This setup flowchart is designed for Sierra Leone's 350 TPH heavy minerals concentration plant. The raw ore material is from dry land, contains the main heavy minerals ilmenite, hematite, zircon, rutile, etc., and most of the sand is silica. Raw ore with much clay, all heavy minerals are 0 to 1 millimeter. The customer mainly wants to get higher grade rutile and zircon concentrate ore as the final product. So we need to wash and get all heavy minerals concentrate mixture ore, then separate out ilmenite, increase the grade of zircon and rutile mixture, concentrate ore. According to the customer's requirement and raw ore conditions, we design the flowchart, which mainly includes the following system. 1. Raw ore feeding system. 2. Raw ore washing and screening. 3. Spiral chute concentration system. 4. Wet process high-intensity magnetic separation. Detailed flowchart explanation is as follows. 1. Raw ore feeding system. Because the input capacity 350 TPH is big, we need a dump truck to feed raw ore to a big hopper, then use a heavy-duty type vibration feeder to feed raw material to the following washing machine smoothly. High-pressure water is injected into the feeding system to effectively crush large spherical ore. Slurry material will flow into the washing machine more smoothly. 2. Raw ore washing and screening. Because the raw ore is with much clay and heavy minerals concentrate size is 0 to 1 millimeter, so we use 2 stages washing machine and screening. Firstly, use a heavy-duty drum scrubber to wash and break down material. It is mainly for washing, without screening. Then slurry material go to 2 sets trommel screen for washing again and screen out waste material larger than 1 millimeter transfer to stockpile on ground. Materials of 0 to 1 millimeter from the screen will go to the next machine. 3. Spiral chute concentration system. The 0 to 1 millimeter slurry discharged from the trommel screen contains much clay, so we will firstly send the slurry to the hydrocyclone group to remove most of the clay mud water, and the underflow slurry will feed to the spiral chute concentration plant. The spiral chute separation system includes 3 stages of separation. The first stage spiral is divided into 3 groups. Each group has 20 sets, a total of 60 sets, for primary concentration of the heavy minerals. We'll get tailings sent to the tailing dump by slurry pump. Middling material will go to the second stage spiral by slurry pump for concentrate again. The concentrate ore from the first stage spiral will go to the third stage spirals by slurry pump for cleaning heavy minerals again to get a higher grade. The second stage spiral is also divided into 2 groups. Each group has 15 sets, a total of 30 sets, which will get concentrate ore and tailings. Tailings will be sent to the tailing dump, and the concentrate ore will go to the third stage spiral for cleaning again. The third stage spiral is with 1 group of 20 sets. This is for final cleaning of the heavy minerals to get a higher grade. We'll get the final heavy minerals mixture concentrate ore going to the magnetic separator. The middling material will go back to the second stage spirals by slurry pump for processing again. 4. Wet process high-intensity magnetic separation. The heavy minerals mixture concentrate ore from the third stage spiral will go to a wet process high-intensity magnetic separator to separate out ilmenite and hematite, so the zircon and rutile concentrate ore will increase in grade as the final product. This setup plant has a high recovery ratio and a good recovery effect. Warmly welcome your inquiry for your minerals process plant. We can customize the plant according to your raw ore conditions and process capacity.